Hey guys, it's Quinn here, and I'm here with Alex. He's sleeping right now. I'm just gonna look at the camera. Hey buddy. He looks like a baby. Do you know how old Alex is now? Alex is like Alex is like Alex is like 1 years old now. Alex is like 1 years old now because yeah, to be honest. Just random stuff. I think the dog was born on September of 2016. I'm not really sure. Yeah, this dog is so cute. I just want to pet him so badly because how cute he is. How are you, little cutie? How are you, little cutie? How are you, little cutie? Cutie. Sorry, guys, if you hear. I don't want to expose anyone. But look at that guy. Yeah. What's that little cutie, Alex? Look at that little cutie, Alex. Look at that. He looks like a big meanie. But, alright. I'm gonna see what's going on here. I'm ending the video now. Sorry if I'm showing my feet. But, I think Alex wants to go outside. No offense.